Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to see liked videos on Likee app. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Likee app and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, the next thing you want to do is to like a couple of videos on Likee. So I'll just go ahead and like some videos just like this. Alright, so after liking and you want to see your liked videos, what you just have to do is to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you click on that, from your profile, if you want to access your liked videos, what you have to do is to look around here. You're going to find this like option right here. Right, so just go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see all your liked videos on Likee. All right, so that's it guys on how you can do that. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.